Okay.
Yep, you again for air fryer unboxing. What's your intro, baby? Anyway, oh, go ahead.
I got a new air fryer.
Mm.
Yeah. Can't wait to make a French fry when my wife's not looking. She said, nah, no junky food. Nah. So I can tell her that, oh, it's air fryer. No, it's not greasy.
It's not too oily. Oh.
This is Ninja air fryer extra large 5.5 quarts.
Okay.
Ninja looks good. Very light. Yeah.
It's matchy color with your cooker rice cooker.
Oh.
Oops. Oops. Okay, baby. Show us the Ninja air fryer.
Extra large.
Extra large? Huh? Okay. That's
But-
extra large already. Okay.
Area-wise, it doesn't get much wider, but you get taller. That double door was this section is small.
What's
More
inside
area.
though?
This is non-stick,
Non-stick.
removable. Oh no, I guess
Remove.
it's not. It's supposed to be removable, I think.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see.
It's in the picture when you sent me the picture, baby. It's like half, right? Half.
I guess maybe it's already this. It's okay. It's non-stick. Easy to wash. Dishwash safe.
Okay. And
Good size. Not
yep, the hand. Yep.
pretty deep. That's it.
That's it. What are these functions, baby?
Temperature control, time, then pre settings,
Yep. Once again, it's
dehydrate, big enough.
What is
big
here,
enough.
baby?
It's a fans and hot coil and fans.
Okay, so that's how it looks like. How about at the back, baby? Can you show us how it looks like? Oh, okay. All right. Okay,
Ninja
what is
fryer.
this? Oh, no. What is this, baby? Do's and don'ts? What can you cook? Okay, here. If you cook chicken, that's the temperature. Okay. Alright, Ninja air fryer.
Alright, that's it.
Okay, that's it. Okay, say bye.
Bye. Happy Air Fryer Day. Eat some more fries.
No. Okay.
Store-bought frozen
Put it
fries.
there, baby. Put it there. So it started, huh? So 15 minutes?
It's long enough. 15 minutes should be long enough.
Okay. We'll get back after 15 minutes. It's ready. Too hot, baby.
First ready.
Kidding. Wow, that's 15 minutes?
Maybe.
I think it looks like overcooked here. So maybe 11 minutes
I was
next
just guessing,
time.
yeah, 12, something like that.
But you know, that's not bad for the first.
Looking good.
Yeah, not bad for the first try, baby. We can eat it anyway. It's eatable. So yeah, that's the first try. And we have it for like 15 minutes and it's close to burn. So maybe 10 minutes is perfect, right, baby?
12 minutes.
10, 12, something like that. Yeah. Crispy, huh?
Looks good. Oh, good.
Even if it's close to burn, baby? Is it still...
Not all only half, not all one.
Okay. Yep, that looks good. I can hear it. It's really crispy.
Some parts.
But you cannot, there's no oil, right?
No.
You didn't put any oil?
Only.
Okay. That's nice. No need oil. Then you have your fries. Ta-da! Alright, baby. That's it. No exit words.
Delicious.